Hi, my name's Kim. I'm an alcoholic. I tried outpatient at a different program prior to going into Rancho House. I went to Rancho House for 2 weeks. I was inpatient. Um, I learned a lot about myself there. I learned, not just, that I have a problem with alcohol, but I learned I kind of lost myself. And it was very helpful as far as Sebastian and Megan helping me through that, and as well as Tracy. She was very helpful in kind of figuring out what the problem was, a deeper issue. And I was able to see a psychiatrist there and really get to the root of the problem of why I was drinking. And I really appreciated that because I didn't realize I had no recollection of that, of why I was drinking. And then I was able to come here to IOP, and I'd been here for quite a bit. I've gained a lot out of this. I think about how I went to college for like 10 years. I got my master's degree and I learned a lot of different things, got a career. But I never thought about myself and self-esteem, my self-worth. And I just think it's really valuable to anybody. And I wish I could have done it, years ago. Before I even started college, I think it would have led a different path. So I'm hopeful for the younger generation to get through this program, to learn those skills. I think they're really important, and I feel very grateful to IOP and Carol here. She's been a real big advocate for me. I have 2 kids. I've had great relationships with them since I've quit drinking and been in this program. It's really helped me to manage a lot of my problems. Come up with the tools. I feel confident now that I'm graduated to come up with the tools to be able to navigate through life. And with all the stressors that I do have in life, I feel prepared. I feel like this program prepared me, and I always have like a good toolbox to go back to. I appreciate everybody here that's been here, particularly Tracy, Chris, and Carol. So for anybody that's looking for a good program, this is a great program. I appreciate that.